guys, very quick video here answering this classic question, what is a prime number? So GCSE is definitely something you need to be aware of. Now prime numbers have two very important properties. First of all, they are all bigger than 1. So 1 is not a prime number. Very common misconception. 1 is not a prime number. And the other important property is that they are only divisible by 1 and the number itself. So when we say it's only divisible, we're talking only by whole numbers. So the only integers that go into a prime number are 1 and the number itself. So let's take a look at some. We'll write down all the prime numbers under 20. So our first prime number is 2. Now 2 is quite a special prime in that it is the only even number to be prime. For any other even number bigger than 2, by the definition of evenness, we know that at least 2 will go into any other even number, making it not prime. Then we've got 3. Now 4 can't be prime, again because it's even, so the next one is 5. Then we get 7. Now 9 actually isn't a prime because 3 goes into it. It's actually a square number because it's 3 times 3. So 9 is not prime. Then we get 11. Then we get 13. Now we'll come to 15. Now after 5, we know that any number that ends in a 5 goes into. So any number that ends in a 5, other than 5 itself, is not prime. So our next chap is 17, and then our last prime under 20 is 19. Now I get asked quite a lot, how many prime numbers are there? And there is actually an infinite amount of primes, so they go on forever. However, as we get into bigger and bigger numbers, the prime numbers do become more spread out. So for example, the numbers that we just wrote down there, under 20, they're all quite close together, but as say we get up into the millions, primes become really spread out. But there are an infinite number of them. Okay guys, cheers!